Hello there. Today we will try solving word problems involving addition and subtraction. Here's our first problem. On Friday, there were 11,863 people in the amusement park. On Saturday, there were 390 less people than on Friday. How many people were there on both days? So for this problem, we will first have our model. We know that there are 11,863 people on Friday, and then on Saturday, it's less. So, meaning to say, we will be having a shorter model for Saturday, and it's 390 less. So, we are looking for how many people are there altogether. To get that, we would have to find how many people were there on Saturday first. And to find that out, we have to subtract 11,863 with 390. Remember that when we are subtracting, we have to make sure that our place values are aligned. So ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds. So in that case, 0 will be aligned with the three ones, 9 with the tens, and then 3 with the hundreds. And then we subtract. 3 ones minus 0 ones will give us 3. 6 tens minus 9 tens. Since there is not enough tens, we would have to regroup. We rename 8 hundreds into 7 hundreds, and then the 100 will be transferred here in the tens place. And we know that 100 has 10 tens, giving us 10 tens plus 6 tens, 16 tens. 16 tens now minus 9 tens will give us 7 tens, and then we proceed to the hundreds place. 700 minus 300 will give us 400. And then the 11,000s, since there's nothing more to subtract there, will be brought down. So we know that there's 11,473 on Saturday. So is that the answer already? Not yet, because we're trying to find how many are there in both days. So to find that, we have to add. We will be adding 11,473, and just like subtraction, we make sure that every place value is aligned. So 11,863. Now we can add. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 tens plus 6 tens will give us 13 tens. Regroup 1. Regroup the 10 tens because it already makes 100. 100 plus 400 plus 800 gives us 13 hundreds. And since there's 10 hundreds already, the 10 hundreds will be 1,000. So we will regroup it with a thousands place. So 1, 2, 3,000. And then 1 10,000 plus 1 10,000 gives us 2 10,000. So it means to say that there were 23,336 people in the amusement park on both days. Alright, so let's try another problem. Rio saved 45,000 last year. Rio saved 1,368 pesos, less than Nico. How much did they save altogether? So for this word problem, again, we will first try to model it. So Rio save 45,000 pesos. It says here that Rio saved less than Miko. So, with that, will Miko's model be longer or shorter than Rio? Since Rio saved less, it means to say that Miko's model will be longer. Okay? It's longer by 1,368. And then we are trying to find how many they save or how much they save altogether. So for us to find the total for both of them, we would first have to find how much Miko saved last year. So with that being said, we have Miko's model longer, and to get his savings, we need to add. Okay, so add, not subtract. So with that, we have 45,000 plus, again, make sure to align all the place values before adding. So that's 8, 6, 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 4. So that was Miko's savings, 46,368. And since we're looking for their savings altogether, we then add 46,638 plus 45,000. So that gives us 8, 6, 3. That's 6,000s plus 5,000s, 11,000. So again, the 10,000s will become 110,000. So 4 plus 4 plus 1, 10,000 gives us 9,000. So it means they saved 91,368 pesos altogether. Okay. So I hope that this video was able to give you a little bit more practice on addition and subtraction word problems. See you again in my next video.